Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and today's video will be about power meters just like this one. And here on my table I have couple of them with different shapes and different power functions, but in today's video we're gonna talk about this, and it costs around $4 and the model is KWS2302C Type C multifunctional digital display DC voltage ampermeter power meter for cell phone or smartphone charging tester that works from 4 to 30 volts, and it have a color screen, and that guy is this one. So why is good to have a power meters just like this one? Particularly this one, it's very small, and from one side it have Type C male to Type C female connector, and from behind we have only one push button, and at front we have a tiny TFT screen. Let's power up and take a look. And what it says in description, it says that it's working from 4 to 30 volts DC voltage and can handle current from 0 to 12 amperes. Imagine that. Timing from 0 to 99 hours. Power, can measure power from 0 to 360 watts, can measure capacity from 0 to 99,000 milliamperes, electricity from 0 to 99,000 watt hours, working temperature 50 degrees, and the size is 41 by 16 by 9 millimeters. This power meter is very useful, and every electronics guy need to have this so you can monitor the current. So let me explain what we have on the screen. At the top with the blue decimals, that is the voltage, 5.1 volt right now. Below that in red we have the amperes, yellow the watts. We have the time, the milliampere hours and the milliwatt hours. Also show the temperature of the gadget, or maybe the ambient temperature in the room. Okay, and right now it shows 1 hour and 5 minutes time, but you can reset the time, reset the milliampere hours capacity with holding the button. I'm gonna hold it and take a look. I reset all the times. By the way, with one press you can go to show the maximum watts, maximum amperes and maximum volts. With one more press we are going back to the main menu, and with fast double press you can rotate the screen just like this. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, and before I make some measurements so we can monitor the current, this video is sponsored by jlcpcb. jlcpcb is more than a PCB manufacturer. It's a complete manufacturing platform for makers and engineers. Beyond high-quality, affordable PCB fabrication, jlcpcb provides online 3D printing and precision CNC machining service for rapid prototyping and production. Designed with confidence using their easy-to-use free PCB design software. Then turn your ideas into real products faster, simpler and more cost-effective. All from one trusted service for hobbyists, startups, labs, classrooms, worldwide and professionals. Visit jlcpcb today. I need to mention this. If you are using a PD trigger charger and you power it, the power meter probably will not work because it's not triggered the charger to give any voltage. So I'm gonna try on my phone and take a look. It starts to work. Let's rotate the screen, and what it says, 4.9 volts, 1.5 amperes, and I'm gonna wait phone to trigger the charger to give more volts in a couple of seconds maybe, never mind. And you can monitor the voltage, the amperes and the watts right now. Also the time, as I said, the milliamperes and the milliwatt hours. With one press you are going to this menu where it says maximum watts, maximum amperes and maximum volts. There are many other power meters just like this small one, or this type A to type A, or this one which is USB power meter with type A male to type A female power meter, and take a look. But this, just like this one, it shows only the volts, the amperes and the watts with 7-segment display. And I'm gonna try like this one. Alright, and what it says, 8.4 watts. Let's see the voltage, 4.3, little bit dropped because this one is electronic load, and right now it's pulling around 1.8 or 2 amperes. So for example, I want to monitor the current that is drawing this gadget, which is ESP32 with round display. I'm gonna power it up. By the way, it's a Wi-Fi clock on a round display, and inside this gadget there is a ESP32. And take a look, right now the time is 10 and 18 minutes, and I can monitor the amperes that this gadget is pulling. Right now the gadget is pulling 70 milliamperes, also 0.35 watts. Isn't that nice? This gadget is very, very practical, and you must have it. As I mentioned, the brand is Cowici, and the model is KWS2302C if you want to search it online. Let's try this one. Come on. And what it shows, 5 volts. And how many amperes? It doesn't show. Can you see the difference? These kind of power meters, if there is not enough current pulled by the gadget, it will not show. That's why this starts with milliamperes. Also, this USB power meter is one of my favorites. And take a look. It's almost the same as this one, but this one have little bit more functions. Besides that, it shows all the stuff, the volts, the amperes, the milliamperes, the milliwatts, the time. Also it shows the resistance. Now I'm gonna plug in my electronic load, and you can monitor that right now it's pulling 1.7 amperes, but take a look, where is it? Okay, we have a bar graph with the line showing the volts and also the current. And when I change the current, take a look, that line change the line. I'm going to increase now to a little bit more. Alright. This one also shows the temperature, but that temperature maybe will not be correct because the sensor is on the board, and while the gadget is working it will heat up. And alright, the resistance is 3 ohms. Here it is, another example how you can use the power meter. Let's see, when we are charging this flashlight, we can monitor the current that is around 970 milliamperes charging the battery. But take a look now, when I press the light to be turned on, I can see that right now the current is 1.1 ampere. That means that around 130 or 140 milliamperes the LED is pulling, and I can calculate how many watts is the flashlight. Take a look, now I will turn it off and it's going back to 960, turning on 1.1 ampere, that is 150, 15 plus 40, around 150 milliamperes is pulling the LED flashlight while working. Beautiful. And you can monitor the milliampere hours and milliwatt hours from 0 to 100% when it's fully charged the battery, and you can see the capacity that this gadget will pull from the power. I hope you enjoy in today's video, which was demonstration of couple of different power meters, especially this one that is my favorite, and it's pretty useful to have in your workshop. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya tomorrow. Every day new video.